Where'd all the time go? It's starting to fly.
Do you have a problem with shutting the fuck up and minding your fucking business?
Best friends are important. They're the closest thing to a sister you'll ever have.
My life is pretty good, even when it,
It's been a year.
Tell me if I could send up my heart. It's alright, the more things seem to change.
I'm just saying, hey Mona Lisa, come home. You know you can't roam without Caesar.
She was a fairy.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Maybe it's 'cause I'm fucking tipsy, and I'm pretty tipsy.
Wait. Morning, ma'am. Is your need? Hello?
I like watching videos of black men shaking their booty cheeks. I don't know why, but when I click on a video and see a black man shaking his cheeks, it just makes my mouth
What's wrong?
Shut the fuck up, you nasty bitch. I don't know how to fuck you jump in my son, you little nasty ass nigga.
Skibbity toilet, skibbity toilet, skibbity toilet.
It's time to drink water.
Heart to heart, heart to heart.
Hey, Batman. I live in the shadows.
I'm not autistic, nor am I on any mental health spectrums, and I'm also not on drugs.
Attracted to you.
She's a girl. A really beautiful girl. More than that, I guess she's what you'd call alluring. And she has
Un ladrón que tu amor sea pa' mí. Amor, amor. So you smile at everything I say. You got some soft lips and some pearly white.
She looks just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever.
I'm always on tour, what you mad at that for? I'm slamming that thing like a Cadillac though. I love fast women, Jackie Joyner curse it. Have your cake and eat it, baby, it's your birthday.
Nobody cares about me. Nobody stays with me. So I don't want to depend on any.
we're just us. Energy, hot like melting icy cream. Trying to bring the mystical into the material. Bitch, I'm in 11.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled
Now do the veggie dance.